In the heart of the ancient forest, a small village thrived, surrounded by towering trees and vibrant wildlife. The villagers depended on the forest for everything, from food to medicine. One year, a mysterious illness struck the village, threatening their way of life. The village healer, an elderly woman named Ilara, was tasked with finding a cure. Ilara ventured deep into the forest, guided by the whispers of the trees and the songs of the birds. She gathered rare herbs and consulted with the spirits of the forest, seeking their wisdom. After days of relentless searching, Ilara discovered a hidden grove where the legendary heart of the forest bloomed. She carefully harvested its petals, known for their miraculous healing properties. Returning to the village, Ilara prepared a potent remedy from the petals. The villagers were cured, and their gratitude towards the forest deepened. The bond between the village and the forest grew stronger, ensuring their mutual prosperity for generations to come.